Hey guys, my name is Rahul and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a new pattern program in Java. We'll try to understand from the scratch how to print this type of pattern and also how to develop the logic of this pattern program in Java. If you are new to Java and you don't know even the spelling of a pattern, then you are at the right place and I will help you in understanding the logic behind these all patterns. Before starting with the session, if you have not followed us on Instagram, the link I have added in the description box panel and also the channel name is visible over here. Please जाके follow कीजिए. So guys, till now, I have uploaded 6 different videos on pattern program and these all links I have already added in the description box panel. तो आपने बस हिट करना है and you can start watching the videos. अगर वीडियो सही लगे तो प्लीज लाइक कर देना, नहीं लगे तो डिसलाइक कर देना, बट दोनों ही केस में please press the bell icon. And one more important thing guys, we have a codesparkacademy.in website. So in this website also I have started uploading all the pattern programs. So it would be kind of pocket friendly. आप कहीं भी जा रहे हो, अगर आपके पास मोबाइल फोन का एक्सेस है, you have the internet, तो easily आप इस पेज पे जाके you can just visit this codesparkacademy.in and over here you will be able to get the access of all the pattern code. तो अगर आप इंटरव्यू में हैं and you don't have the access of your laptop or notes, then definitely you can just visit this page and you will have the access of all the different types of coding and all the theoretical knowledge. So I have uploaded all the possible things over here with the simplifications. Like अगर आपको architecture of Java नहीं पता या फिर you don't know why Java and history of Java, then you just have to visit these all blocks over here and you will have a clear picture on this all concept. And guys, if you find this content helpful, then please go and give us your feedback. So on each and every blocks I have added a comment section, so you just have to scroll down and over here you will find this. So you can just enter your comment, and if you have any query or any doubt, you can definitely let me know over here. Put your comment here, enter your name, email address and website if you have. And after that, you just have to say post comment. I will look into and will try to revert back to you as soon as possible on this. Guys, let's try to understand this pattern, how to print this type of pattern in Java. So let's consider आप interview के लिए गए हो and interviewer has given this pattern and he asks you to write the logic of this pattern. अगर आप new to Java हो या फिर आपने let's say आपने सिर्फ स्टार पैटर्न देखा है, राइट? अगर इस टाइप के पैटर्न अगर आपको दे दिया जाता है तो यू विल गेट सरप्राइज, यार ये तो पढ़ाया ही नहीं गया, दिस इज आउट ऑफ सिलेबस. बट गाइस, एवरी टाइम एज आई टोल्ड यू, राइट, ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ. चीजें सिंप्लीफाई करना सीखो. अगर आप चीजें सिंप्लीफाई करना स्टार्ट कर दोगे ना, तो इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू अंडरस्टैंड एनी टाइप ऑफ पैटर्न. इट कुड बी Java pattern or Python pattern, कोई भी टाइप का पैटर्न होगा यार, आप easily समझ सकते हैं. So in this video, we will try to simplify this pattern. So guys, if you just see this pattern, what exactly you are understanding after seeing this pattern? तो आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो कि we have a spaces over here, over here, over here. We have multiple spaces. Can't we replace these all spaces with the underscore? We can do that, right? So I'm going to replace these all spaces with the underscore. ठीक है, मैंने कर दिया. Now what next? Can I replace underscore x equals to x? Yeah, this I can do that. This is the first star, so I'll just put the same star here as it is. Now यहाँ पे एक star है, ये भी मैं यहाँ पे as it is put कर दूंगा. Now this we have replaced by x. So instead of putting the space, what you will have to say? You will have to put one star here. तो ये वाला जो space था वो इस star के नीचे था, तो ये star के ठीक नीचे मैंने इसको replace करके यहाँ पे एक star put कर दिया. Now we have this star. तो ये स्टार तो आपको एज इट इज यहाँ पे लिख देना है. उसके बाद क्या है हमारे पास? अंडरस्कोर एक्स. तो ये अंडरस्कोर एक्स जो है ये वाले स्पेस के नीचे, मतलब ये स्पेस के ऊपर यहाँ पे क्या हमने किया था? स्टार लिखा था, ये वाला स्टार, राइट? तो इसके नीचे ठीक हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? ये स्टार एक यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. ठीक यहाँ पे जो एक स्टार था ये वाला स्टार, उसके नीचे यहाँ पे एक स्टार ये आ जाएगा. अगेन इन द सेम वे यू विल हैव टू राइट दिस. अब ये वाले के नीचे एक स्टार यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, ये वाले के नीचे एक स्टार यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, चलो ठीक है, और ये वाले के नीचे एक स्टार यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. तो गाइस, अगर आप इस पैटर्न को देखो तो यू विल रियलाइज कि यार ये पैटर्न तो आपको ऑलरेडी पता है. यू नो ऑलरेडी, राइट, हाउ टू प्रिंट दिस पैटर्न इन जावा. तो अगर आपको ये पता है तो यू विल बी एबल टू इजीली प्रिंट दिस टाइप ऑफ पैटर्न इन जावा लैंग्वेज. आपने पहले सोचा कि यार ये तो आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है, ये तो हमें पढ़ाया ही नहीं गया है, बट आफ्टर सिंप्लीफाइंग द थिंग्स यू विल रियलाइज कि यार ये तो ऑलरेडी हमें पता है. अगर आपने नहीं किया, बाद में अगर टीचर बताएगा तो आपको पता चलेगा, ओ भाई ये तो मुझे पता था. You should always work on yourself and try to simplify the thing. इसको किससे relate कर सकते हैं? अगर आप चीजें relate करना start कर दोगे ना, you will be able to understand each and everything without any problem. So अब हमें पता चल गया कि this is the pattern we have. अगर ये pattern हमारे पास है, तो guys, can't we print this pattern in Java? Yeah, we can easily do that. Now just try to understand how many rows and columns we have. So we have one row, second row, third row, fourth row, and columns 1, 2, 3, and 4 columns. It means we have to print 4 by 4 triangle. But in this case, guys, we have a twist here. So over here, you will have to print all the spaces in order to print what? This star. So in first row, you will have to print 3 different spaces. Over here, you will have to print 2 different spaces. And over here, you will have to print 1 space. It means spaces are getting decreased and stars are getting increased. If you don't know, guys, how to develop the code of this type of pattern, I have already discussed as a part of Star Pattern 3 and the link I have added in the description box panel. So आप जाके please इस वीडियो को देखें and try to understand the logic. So over here, how many for loops we will have to take? First one is to print all the rows value. Second one is to print all the spaces. And third one is to print all the stars. Let's go to Eclipse and try to print this pattern. So I'll just take first for loop over here and say int I equals to 1. I should be less than equals to 4 because we have 4 by 4, right? And I'll just use incrementation here. After that, I'll just say open and close braces. And over here, I'll take another for loop. So this is what we call nested for loop. And if you don't know, again, मैंने link add कर रखा है, तो आप जाके for loop concept देख सकते हैं. You can just try to understand how this works. So I'll just take another variable here, j, and this will be int j equals to 4. Then j should be greater than I. And I'll just say j minus minus, right? We will have to decrement the value here. So over here, what we will have to say, I'll just say sys out, and instead of println, I will have to take what? Print. If you don't know the difference between print and println, again, the link I have added in the description box panel, so you can watch the video and try to understand the logic behind. So I'll just put what? I'll put spaces here. Now I'll take another for loop here to print all the stars. So I'll just say int k equals to 1. K should be less than equals to I, and I'll just say k plus. Again, in this case, what I will do, I'll just say sys out, and over here I will have to remove print ln, and I'll just put star here because we are going to print star. So guys, this first for loop is to print all the rows value. Second one is to print all the spaces, and third one is to print what? All the stars. Right? Now we will have to also print the next line, right? So I'll just say sys out and control and space bar, and this is how we will print the system.out.println. That is next line. So I'll just say next. Now try to understand the logic. So here you can see 4 int I equals to 1. 1 is less than equals to 4. This is true. If this is true, it will get inside this for loop and it will check for the condition. So what is the value of j we have? J equals to 4. It will check is 4 is greater than 1 because I value we have 1. So 4 is greater than 1. Yeah, this is true. If this is true, it will print one space here. So it will print this space here. Right? J value will get decreased by 1. So it will be 3 now. It will check is 3 is greater than 1. Yeah, this is again true. It will print one more space here. Again, the value of j will get decreased by 1. So it will be 2 now. Again, it will check is 2 is greater than 1. Yeah, this is again true. If this is true, again, it will print one more space here. Now, again, j value will get decreased by 1. So it will be 1 now. Is 1 is greater than 1. This is false. If this is false, it will terminate this for loop and it will get inside this for loop. So what is the value of I we have? 1. So it will check. Is k value is 1, so it will check. Is 1 is less than equals to 1? Yeah, this is true. If this is true, it will print star and the star will get printed over here. In the same way, it will start iterating the value from, again, I. So I value will get increased by 1. So it will start from 2 is less than equals to 4 and it will start iterating the value. Now guys, if you just try to run this program, so you will get exactly the same pattern printed, which we have simplified here, this pattern, you can say. Ultimately, what exactly we want? We want to print this type of pattern, right? So in that case, what exactly you will have to do? You just have to put one space here. So once you just say one space and try to run your code, exactly the same pattern which we have seen over here, it will get printed. And you can say this. Now try to understand the logic, because logic is very important, guys, here. Again, so the same code we have, right? So here you can see what is the value of I we have. So I value we have 1. So it will check is 1 is less than equals to 4. this is true. If this is true, it will get inside this for loop and it will start iterating the value from 4 till the minimum value of j. So it will check, is 4 is greater than 1? Yeah, this is true. If this is true, it will print one space here. So we'll take the example of this itself. So it will print one space here. Okay, let me just change the color. Now again, it will check, is 3 is greater than 1? Because the value of j will get decreased by 1, right? So is 3 is greater than 1? Yeah, this is again true. If this is true, it will print one more space here. Now, is 2 is greater than 1? Yeah, this is again true. If this is true, it will again print what? It will print one more space here. Now again, it will check, is 1 is greater than 1? This is false. If this is false, it will terminate this for loop and it will get inside this for loop. Now over here, what is the value we have? I value was 1. It will check, is 1 is less than equals to 1? Yeah, this is true. If this is true, it will print what? It will print one space and then star. So the same thing will get printed here. Instead of printing this star, it will print one space here, and after that it will print the star. After printing this, again the value of k will get increased by 1. So it will be 2 now. It will check, is 2 is less than equals to 1? This is false. If this is false, it will terminate this for loop and it will try to execute system.out.println, which is nothing but next line. It means over here the cursor will be here now. Now again it will start the iteration from the I value. So what will be the I? Now it will be 2 now. Is 2 is less than equals to 4? Yeah, this is true. If this is true, again it will get inside this for loop and it will try to iterate the value of j from 4 till the minimum value. Now it will check, is 4 is greater than 2? Yeah, this is true. If this is true, it will print one space here. Is 3 is greater than 2? Yeah, this is again true. If this is true, then it will print one more space here. Is 2 is greater than 2? This is false. If this is false, it will terminate this for loop and it will get inside this for loop. It will again iterate the value of k from 1 to value of I. And what is the value of I we have? Value of I we have 2. So it will be like 1 is less than equals to 2. Yeah, this is true. If this is true, it will print what? It will print one space and then star. So let's go here. So it will print one space and then star here. What is the value of k we have? So k value will get increased by 1. So it will be 2 is less than equals to 2. This is again true. If this is true, it will print one space and then star. So it's like this star and space. So this star, space and this has been printed, right? In the same way guys, if you just iterate the value, you will get this type of pattern printed. This is very easy guys. अगर आप चीजें simplify करना start कर दोगे ना, so it will be very easy for you to write logic of any pattern. In the same way guys, this type of pattern you can also print using the if statement. So instead of here, you can see I have taken multiple for loops, right? So instead of taking multiple for loops, you can also use if statement to print this type of pattern in Java. अगर आपको नहीं पता हो, do let me know. I'll add the link in this video itself. Hope you find this video helpful guys. अगर सही लगे तो please hit on the like button. नहीं लगे तो dislike कर देना, but दोनों केस में please press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.